going to start with D. This is for B. So, sorry, C. The bases are trapezoids. So like we said, base 1 plus base 2 times height divided by 2. Do I need to divide it by 2 if there are two bases that are trapezoids?
No.
Yep. Thank you. Thanks for that. Okay. So base 1 in this case is 10. So I'm going to go like this. It doesn't really matter which one you put in which order. Plus base 2, which is 16, multiplied by the height. Now, be careful. What is the height? Is it 12 or is it 11.6? Graph. Is it 12 or 11.6, Zachary? This is the other thing I don't appreciate is that
I'm here. I'm just trying to figure it out.
Okay, right. So you got a choice. Is it 12 or is it 11.6, the height of the trapezoid? Yeah, so the trapezoid is this.
I think it's 11.6.
You're right. Good to hear from you. Okay, so then we've got, you're off the hook here, Zach. So we've got 26 times 11.6. Let's see what we get. I got 301.6. So that's your bases. That's decimeters squared. So I like to keep all these little guys separated like this. There we go. Okay, next I'm going to do the top and bottom next, and then I'll do the sides. Okay, so it's always really important to keep your calculations organized, to label them. Lily's about to tell me that I can't see what you're doing this. So the top, if we look at the dimensions, it's 10 by 21. Well, that's a nice one. So it's area equals 10 times 21. That's going to give me 210 decimeters squared. Raf, are you with us?
Yes.
Ah, good to hear you. What about for the... You were gone for a little bit. Yeah, me too. I check out sometimes. Can you please tell me what the dimensions for the bottom are, or just give it your best guess? There's gonna be two of them. It's gonna be length times width. What do you think for the bottom, which is here and here? I just need you to identify them.
16 diameter, 11.6.
Yeah, it's tricky, eh? So you got the 16 for sure. So this is the rectangle. And then this is the, this is the width of the rectangle that makes up the base. But the other measurement is 21, actually, okay? So it's really hard. That is probably the hardest thing about doing geometric solids. It's very, very, very hard to teach them virtually, to be clear, and to identify things. So you're going to give yourself a little bit of a break. All right. So far we've got the bases, we've got the top, we've got the bottom. Do we have everything? We don't have the sides. Hello?
Yeah, like, did you forget to divide it by 2 on the bases, or?
Okay, so I didn't forget. I didn't divide it by 2. I don't have to divide it by 2 because there are 2 bases. Okay, so I'm going to write that as a note here, Ellie. So.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah, no problem. Don't do this if there's 2. Okay, I'll write that here. If there's 2. Really good question. If there's 2 bases. Okay, so now I just have the 2 sides. I've got this side here, and you assume you can't exactly see it, but there's one on the other side. So then the sides, there are 2 of them. So it's 2 times. And the dimensions here, that's what that 12 is. See those little lines there? So these 2 sides here and on the other side, it's going to be 12 by 21. So let's go ahead and do that. It's 2 times My son is screaming outside. I'm not even going to ask. Got 504. So now we have to add all of these up. So I'm going to do that over here. I'm going to write TSA. Oops. Not sure why that has to be there. I can't move that. That's not very nice. Well, I don't appreciate that. I do not appreciate that at all. Thanks a lot there, Teams meeting. TSA, total surface area. We've got 301.6. We've got 210. We've got 336. And we've got 504. Let's see what that all adds up to. I feel like it's over 1,200. What do you guys think? Tell me what your final answer is here, peeps. $847.6. Can you say that again?
Never mind.
Never mind. Go ahead, Lily.
Okay, I got 1,351.6.
You got it. Okay.
Same.
Same.